Hi, this is Rojesh Iswaran. In this video, I like to share the 7 ways of making your life powerful. Everyone desire for making their lives powerful, not exactly to be remarkable than other individuals, but to be carefree of the conditions that surrounds them. Most of us want a life that can provide easy access to all sorts of things that we need. But to do that, we have to invest in a considerable amount of things. To be powerful does not necessarily mean having a massive wealth that could make you take over the world. For some people, this can be defined through their state of mind and body. For others, it can be through flexibility in any situation that they experience. Regardless of what definition they have, people will hold different perceptions to make their life powerful. First thing to make your life beautiful is to be a lifelong learner. Nothing beats a knowledgeable mind. Be passionate about acquiring and developing your knowledge. If you want to be an expert in your field, you have to feed your mind with the right kind of information that is required. It could be anything under the sun, as long as it will help you improve your intellectual capacity. You can learn from books, journals, experts, or your role models, provided that the content is something you can use for your everyday activities to reach your goal. When you continue to be a learner, you will be grounded to understand just how much there is still to know. The more you learn, the more you are prepared to become an outstanding being. Learning is what expands your confidence. It is what enhances your ability to rise and accomplish. Nextly, invest in yourself. In the fast-paced world we live in, we often forget how vital it is to care for ourselves. Investing in yourself means that you have to take care of yourself. It does not only apply to your skills and knowledge alone, but also your physical health. By taking care of yourself, increases your levels of productivity both personally and in your career by reducing the risk of fatigue. Health is wealth, they say. Make yourself healthy inside out. Exercise and eat the right food. Also give time for enhancing your new skills and talents. It is okay to think that you do not have any skills or talents because it is something that you can learn and develop. Learning the fundamentals is the best way to develop your skills. It is okay to start at zero and failing for the first few tries. There is always room for improvement. Learn the basics and you are good to go to be the expert on that field. Always remember, you have only one life to explore. Third thing is avoid distractions and live by yourself. Be unbothered. Avoiding distractions is not only about refraining yourself from TV, social media, or any other entertainment when you are focusing on a task. It is also being unbothered about the people and the things that are happening around you. Do people put you down? Just smile and walk past them. You do not have to be bothered every time someone comments on your life. The best way to shrug them off is to not care at all. They will all get tired at some point in time. Be the unbothered king or queen and discover your purpose in life. And fourth thing is to develop good relationships. Having strong relationships is an important habit that brings positive changes in your life and career. Positive relationships provide you with much needed support in tough times, and it is the best way to stay strong and optimistic. Creating a sense of belonging with other people around a common mission is a significant factor in our meaning of life. Our strength is interwoven into the strength of the people whom we associate with. It is from strong relationships with other individuals that we draw our stamina. Such associations or relationships can raise us when we are down and also offer us the capacity to take care of whatever obstacles come our way. The fifth important aspect of living a powerful life is to be resourceful and flexible. According to one of the NLP presuppositions, people have all the resources they need to succeed, and to achieve their desired outcome. There are no unresourceful people, only unresourceful states. While some people are struggling to create ways because of the limitations they have, other people utilize the resources that are available in front of them to achieve the desired outcome. These people are leveling up their game and successful when it comes to providing solutions for their problems, be it small or big. You have to be resourceful and flexible in any situation so you can get used to having adjustments whenever it requires you to do so. Number 6. Create your opportunities. Understand there is no finish line. Fortune favors action. Never lose any opportunity that comes your way. When you are given a chance to try something new, do not hesitate to take it. Experiences will make you improve in all your endeavors in life. Even if you fail or not, there will be no loss because you got to know something that you can apply in the future. Never be afraid to try new things because most of the time the best results in life come from the unexpected decisions we make. The final and most important thing is resting well enough. To be the best, you got to rest. If you think you are jam-packed with your schedules to get enough sleep, think about your priorities in life. Try to schedule more hours for sleep and relaxation so you can have enough energy to be powerful. It enhances your creativity and productivity. It also makes you more grateful and grounded with the journey you have come along. Making your life powerful is the dream. It is the goal of every individual on earth who are thriving in society. However, it will not always be easy, but in the end, it will be worth it. You just need to find your light and live the perks of having it. If you have not subscribed to this channel, then please do for more insightful videos. See you next time. Till then, bye from Rojesh.